Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to send larger files, like for example video clips, using WeTransfer. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to WeTransfer, sign up for an account if you like, but that's optional. You can also upload and send files without an account. So guys, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to upload a video file of 25 MB file size. To do that, simply click on that button here on the homepage on Upload Files. Locate the file on your computer, or alternatively guys, upload an entire folder. With a free membership you are free to upload and to send files of up to 2 GB size, which is actually quite a lot. So let me upload that video file for demonstration purposes. There you go. Next, enter the email address of the recipient here, a title, a message, like for example that's the video you requested. Click on these three dots here in the bottom left corner to access advanced settings. Next, choose whether you'd like to send the recipient an email or share a link with him or her. Set an expiration date below, like 3 days for example, or a week. And once you're ready to send the file to your recipient, simply click on transfer here. There you go. As you can see, that video of 25 MB file size has been successfully sent to my contact. So sending larger files like videos for example is absolutely not an issue. However guys, if you'd like to increase your monthly limit of 2 GB, simply click on that button here in the top right corner, upgrade, to upgrade your free membership to a paid one. For instance, users with a pro membership can send and receive files here on WeTransfer of up to 200 GB per month, and users with a pre-membership have no size limit on transfers at all. So guys, which membership plan you go with is totally up to you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.